In section 3.6, question number 8 asks us to use the graphing calculator to verify the table and the graph that we got in numbers 3 and 4 on page 359. To do this, we're going to go up under y equals so we can enter the equation of the line. The equation that we found in number 6 was y equals 58.4x. So now that I've got the equation in, I can do all sorts of things. I can graph this, I can look at the table. Let's look at the table first. Table is found under the Graph tab. It's written in blue. Because it's written in blue, that means I need to use the second function. So if I hit second table, it's going to give me a table. Now I had mine set so it was already going up by tens. You might look at yours and say yours doesn't match mine. Mine's going up by 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's show you how to change that. Table set is above the window tab. It's also in blue. If I hit second table set, I can start at 0 and I can go up by whatever I want to. If yours says 1 there, you want to change that to a 10. And once you're done doing that, you go to second graph to see the table again. And now the table should match the one we have in number 3. If I want to see my graph, I'm going to go right to the graph button. I don't have to hit second. And I look at my graph and I say, well, that does not match what I have on number 4. That's because my window is set funny. I'm going to go back and click window and look at the window, the axes we created on number 4. We started at 0 on the x-axis and went as high as 60. And each line was going up by 5. On the y-axis, I also started at 0. I went as high as 3,200. And I did not go up by ones. I went up by 200s on each line. Now, if your window matches mine, make sure everything matches this. This is how we had it graphed on the bottom of page 359. I hit graph, and I verify that that graph looks very much like the one that I graphed on the bottom of page 359. If you need to, rewind this video and go through the steps again. You can rewind as much as you need to so that you get comfortable with the calculator steps. The calculator is a very powerful tool. Use it for everything it has.